soaking up the heat in the summer haze, sipping on the good